Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to learn languages with ChatGPT. So first is open your browser and go to ChatGPT and log into your account. After that, tap the search bar and type how to learn example Korean language. Then tap enter. Now ChatGPT will provide you instruction or options to learn Korean language. Now to learn certain uh, words from Korean, you can type in ChatGPT example. Translate I love you in Korean. And ChatGPT will provide you the answer. If you want to know a Korean words, ChatGPT can help you too. So type what is the meaning of that Korean word and then enter, and ChatGPT will provide that answer. So that's how to learn languages with ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.